Welcome aboard the Disney Witch. This is our room, stateroom 12000. It's a one-bedroom suite with an extended veranda. It is Tangled theme, and let's check it out. So as soon as you come in on the left, hello, it has a beautiful bathroom and it has the toilet. It has some shelving with the Elemis product with a glass door and a rainfall shower. It has the wonderful loofah in there. Beautiful. And it has a huge mirror so you can check out your wardrobe for the day. And then as you enter further, it has a walk-in closet with a safe, so plenty of room for storage. It has drawers all the way down. So beautiful walk-in closet. And then there's Sarah and Kenny. Hello.
Hi.
Then you have a Murphy bed right here. So this suite sleeps 5 people. You have a bar right there and another bed right here. This is a sleeper sofa. It sleeps 2, and it has a beautiful tangled artwork right here. I don't know if you can see that pretty. And then there is a beautiful mirror. You got a nice table right here to have you know, your room service. It has a TV with wow, I wonder where the refrigerator is. So it has drawers here. I'm not sure if the fridge is here. No, you just got drawers. You got more seating. Oh, and maybe the fridge is on this side? Let's see. Yes. So here's our fridge. It's our beverage cooler basically. There's Pascal. Oh yes, we got our lanyards. And so if you come further, here is the master. Now the master has doors on both sides to close for privacy. And it has a little vanity and more Rapunzel artwork. You have some shelving. It even has a docking station for your products, your Apple products, your phone. Then you have the beautiful bedroom, a bed with the beautiful tangled artwork in the back. You have some nightstands on the sides with all the connections. You have an awesome closet here with your concierge robes and your slippers and laundry bags. And then you have another closet. And here's the master bath. Hello. Wow, with the beautiful mosaic tiles and bath tub, beautiful soaking tub. I don't think there's jets, but it's a soaking tub. And then you have double sinks with there's your double sinks with your Elemis product, a beautiful shower. There you go. It is a glass door, and then of course the toilet right there for privacy. You got the nice door. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited. And then of course we have a extended veranda here at suite 12000, 12,000. So you have not just chairs, but you have like a whole set of furniture here. You got beds and a table to have morning breakfast.